Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Coach Ernie is going to be talking about expected moves, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, check out the link in the description where you can find Coach's education platform. Enjoy guys.
Coach, I have a question. In one of your comments this morning, you said the expected move is very low. How did you determine that, or how do we determine something like that?
The poor man's straddle, the big ass fly that I put out on in the morning.
I did one of those, but is it the implied volatility section, like in the right?
No, I look at the price, the debit.
Okay.
And remember this image that I annotated on the VIX up here in the top? This is for the poor man's fly, this chart up here showing the range of the debit price for a poor man's fly. So when it's way up here around 34, 35, we're looking for the low side of our range. Now, each one of these rows, the color coordinates with down here, these ranges for widths. You see that?
Yes.
See, there's a blue one says 20 to 10, and the yellow, then the gold, then the red.
Yes.
And so I match them. And so here's the range. And then I equate the range with what's on the scale of the debit for the poor man's fly. So when the poor man's fly number is very high, above 30, we're looking at the low end of the range of all these things. When it's in the middle, it's in the middle. When it's very low, it's at the high end.
Okay.
Because when it's low, it's saying that there's way more volatility and the whole fly has been moved up and given a much better price.
All right, I think I got it. Yeah, that's the first time I saw this chart with the additional big ass fly data.
It's getting a little crowded on this chart, but it has everything that we're looking for.
I just took a screenshot of it and put it in my favorites on my phone.
Essentially, our entire strategy revolves around where volatility is. Not the entire thing, but obviously it plays the major role. Of course, we want to know what direction we're going in, which is a real simple thing to determine. We want to know what the structure of the market is so that we can see where are the best places where it will find support or resistance so that we can determine an entry point. And the volatility, both big picture and intraday, we want to know that so that we can determine what's the optimal exposure that we want to put at risk. And by exposure, the width of our flies, whether we make them wide or we make them narrow. So every morning, we already know exactly what we're going to do before it even happens. We just wait for the event. This morning, no event yet.
I like it.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the like button below. If there's any questions that you might have for Coach Ernie, make sure you leave them in the comment section. Thanks guys.